I just wanted to share this idea relating to sphere turning, and what it is when I started turning spheres, dividing it into the 12 equidistant points on the surface of the sphere was difficult, and I first used Japanese ball making tamari techniques, and then eventually I refined different techniques, and the latest was using the golden rectangle, and I made a brass template. But I figured out this very easy way. I've got a piece of A4 paper, and I'm just using this drawing board really because the ruler's long. You need a 14-inch long ruler, so I'm drawing one diagonal, corner to corner, and I'm going to go corner to corner, the other way. Oops, a little bit of a stutter there, don't matter. Then I'm going to go put that down. I'm going to divide it in half so it comes through that same centre, vertically and horizontally. And the reason we can do this is because we know that A4 paper is divided using the golden rectangle. It must be a proper piece of A4 paper. Printer paper is always right, I think. Some other A4s aren't really A4, so don't use those. Right, so now we've got a piece of A4 paper. Let me just get a sphere. I'll get a couple. Got one there, just knocking around. And I've got another one over there. So this one is divided. That was the first. I think that was the first one I made and divided. It's 65mm in diameter, so I'm going to set my compass to 32.5 and draw a circle from the centre of that piece of half. Sorry, there was my error. Oh, well, it might make this clearer. So set your compass to that small diagonal there, and now there we go, we're on the 12 centres. So to divide this, you'd basically draw the circle all the way around from any point on the sphere, then pick any point on that circle and draw another circle. Then where it intersects the first circle, draw another circle, and just keep filling in at intersections until you've got the sphere all divided up into 12. I'll do it a second one just for the sake of having it done. That one's 70mm, so I've got to set my circle, my compass out to 35. Do it right this time, 35, and draw a circle. And this is good because you can do this basically on the fly as you do a project, and you know that your result's going to be right. Small diagonal is there, and this one also is divided, but it will just, there's a quick way to check. I'm a little bit large. Is that me? It certainly is. Oh, hang on. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A couple of these are out on the sphere, but you know, you do have a margin for error. 4, 5. That one, see, that one's out a bit. I actually trust this way more than the way I've been doing it. 5. And just keep going. Now, if you want to divide, that divides the circle up into the vertices of a dodecahedron. If you want to divide this up by into octahedron, you use the points from these line to that line there. So between the two right angles, you know, across a right angle. And then when you draw that one, that will halve your sphere. So you can halve your sphere. See, it's going between those two sets of lines on there. Sets of dots rather. That's half in your sphere. Come to it from the other side. We're on the same line, look. Then you can pick any point on that circle, draw another circle the other way, and then where they intersect, draw another circle, and that divides your circle up into 8 octants. So that's a really nice way of dividing up a sphere to do various projects. Thanks for watching.